How often do you clean your dishwasher or your washing machine? I like to do it once a month, and it is super easy to do with these effervescent tablets. Just throw one into your washer or your dishwashing machine and let it run its normal cycle. This definitely helps to keep my machines clean and fresh. The tablets are suitable for standard or high efficiency top loader, front loader washing machine, compatible with LG, GE, Whirlpool, Samsung, Maytag, and much more. They are available in the TikTok shop. Click the orange shopping cart to grab yours.